Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance Express step by step. Open the Binance app and tap Express to start a fast fiat on-ramp. Select your currency and payment method, then enter the amount you want to spend and review the fees shown. Confirm the purchase and complete any required identity checks or prompts. Keep your app updated and use two-factor authentication to protect your transactions. Tap the Buy button and input either the fiat amount or crypto quantity you want to receive. Check the exchange rate and fees carefully so you know the total cost before confirming the order. Choose your preferred payment method, such as card for instant settlement or bank transfer for lower fees. Follow any on-screen verification or confirmation steps to finalize the transaction and wait for the purchase to complete in your wallet. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future guides. On another note, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a smart pick for busy traders who want clean floors without the effort, with voice control and strong mapping features. Check the description for the link and other deals, and enjoy a cleaner space while managing your crypto. Now let's get back to the video. After placing an order, monitor its status in your transaction history to confirm successful settlement. If an order fails, review payment details, cancel or retry the payment, and contact support if needed. Consider withdrawing purchased crypto to your personal wallet when not actively trading for extra security. Keep records of transaction ID and receipts, and review fee breakdowns to optimize future orders on Binance Express.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.